Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix when keeps restarting on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is factory reset. Go to app library. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix when keeps restarting on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.